Troubleshooting. The SmartLyte Plus electrolyte analyzer is designed to provide long, trouble-free service. However, any scientific measuring device may occasionally malfunction, requiring the operator to troubleshoot and identify the cause of the problem. Troubleshooting the SmartLyte Plus. Before you begin troubleshooting the instrument, verify that the fluid pack is valid and still has solution in the pack. To verify the pack status, from the main menu select Pack Status. If the pack status is invalid, expired, or has no samples remaining, replace the fluid pack and check the pack status again. For details on how to change the fluid pack, see Section 1.5 of the Operator Manual, Fluid Pack Installation. If the pack status is valid, not expired, or has adequate samples remaining, proceed to the next step. In order to troubleshoot correctly, you must first establish that the instrument has an unrestricted fluid flow. The three most common error messages related to fluid flow problems are error in standard A, error in standard B, or error in standard C. To check the proper fluid flow, start by removing the tubing from the sample sensor to the right of the electrode tray. Then, insert the provided surface syringe with the pointed mouth into the tubing. Simultaneously, while pulling on the syringe, open valve A. If there is fluid flow, the syringe fills with solution, the fluid flow is okay. If the syringe is restricted with no flow, there is blockage in the line from the fluid pack to the syringe. Investigate where the blockage is and clear it. If air is present in the line to the syringe, valve V is open or there is no fluid in the fluid pack. Based on the error message, repeat these steps for standard B by opening valve B and for standard C by opening valve C. If the fluids are moving freely from the fluid pack to the syringe, place the tubing back on the sample sensor and proceed to the next step to check the fluid flow through the electrode tray. To check the fluid flow through the electrode tray, start by removing the bottom end of the silicone tubing with the green band from the pump tubing manifold on the left side of the electrode tray. Insert the service syringe with the pointed mouth into the tubing. Simultaneously, while gently pulling on the syringe, open valve A. If the service syringe fills with solution, the fluid flow is okay. If the syringe is restricted with no flow, there's a blockage in either an electrode, the sample sensor, or the locking mechanism. If air is present in the line to the syringe, the electrodes are not sitting correctly, or there's a missing or damaged O-ring. If all liquids are flowing to the syringe freely, but the instrument is still not functioning correctly, the elements remaining are as follows. Pump tubing. The pump tubing may be defective and needs to be replaced. For details on how to change the pump tubing, see Section 5.6 of the Operator Manual, Exchanging the Main Tubing Harness. Pump rollers. The pump rollers may not be spinning freely and need to be replaced. In the case that the pump roller is the problem, please contact Diamond Customer Service for a replacement. For a full list of error messages with suggested corrective actions, see Section 6.1 of the Operator Manual, Troubleshooting. The SmartLyte Plus also has an integrated diagnostic system to help quickly determine if the errors or issues you may be experiencing are mechanical. To access the Diagnostics menu, from the main menu select Diagnostics. From the Diagnostics menu, select the option that corresponds with the error message displayed. To view a list of the most recent errors and past errors, select Errors on the main Diagnostics menu. Use the forward and back arrows to view the error history. Use the blue back arrow to return to the diagnostics menu. If the SmartLyte Plus electrolyte analyzer is still not performing correctly after conducting the basic steps outlined in this troubleshooting section, please contact Diamond Diagnostics for technical assistance. This concludes Section 6, Troubleshooting the SmartLyte Plus. Section 7 of the SmartLyte Plus training, we will review the proper shutdown procedure.